ASUS Router DMZ Mode Setup Port Forwarding Tutorial. Step 1. Accessing your router's web interface. Open a web browser on a device connected to your ASUS router's network. In the address bar, type your router's IP address and press Enter. Log in with your router's username and password. Step 2. Navigating to the WAN settings. Once logged in, look for the Advanced Settings section on the left-hand menu, expand it, and click on WAN. Step 3. Finding the DMZ tab. Within the WAN settings, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the DMZ tab. Step 4. Enabling DMZ and entering the IP address. On the DMZ page, enable the DMZ feature by selecting Yes for Enable DMZ. Then, in the DMZ host IP address field, enter the static IP address of the device you want to place in DMZ. This device will have its ports open to the internet.